Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Yalon, and in today's video I'm going to be unboxing a Chanel flat bag from one of my favorite brands that I work with all the time, which is Koi Bags. They are an online website that specializes in high quality replicas, and they have so many different designers on there, such as Louis Vuitton, Chanel, Dior, Gucci. The list just goes on and on. So let's get into this bag. It's going to be so perfect for the spring/summertime. So beautiful. So comes in the box, and guys, their quality is so good. Like, it mirrors the quality of what's in the stores. It's just so good. I love working with them. So it does come in a dust bag, and then it also has like the receipts, the ribbon, the little flower. So if you wanted to put it on the shopping bag and do like a cute unboxing video yourself or something, like, I don't know, but you could do whatever you want with it. So it does come with that. And so let's get into the actual bag itself. I picked out yellow. I really love the color yellow for the spring and summertime, and I just think it looks so gorgeous, especially with this gold hardware. Very, very pretty, very girly. I love the light yellow of it, like a pastel yellow. It's just really, really gorgeous. So yeah, I'm excited to have this. It's so pretty. Has the back pocket. I love that I can wear it on my shoulder. I can wear it crossbody. And just twist it. It says Chanel on there. The little zipper. Even though, like, I never put anything in this part, but that. Double C. Chanel. You can put like lipstick here. You have your two pockets. You have all the space inside. And then you also have that flap right there. So such a great bag for the summer/springtime. I cannot wait to wear this. It's so pretty. I've been wanting a yellow flat bag for a while now, and I was like, I'm finally just gonna go ahead and pick out one because spring/summer is literally around the corner, and this is gonna be so perfect to wear because I'm definitely gonna do a little bit more color this spring and summer in my wardrobe. So super, super pretty. I love it. The quality is amazing. It doesn't feel cheap or flimsy or anything like that. Like, quality is always amazing with them. They don't miss out on the details. It's really, really nice, and it never looks cheap. And the bags last years with them. Like, some of my Koi bags, I've had them for years. There's no tearing, no unraveling of the stitching, nothing. Like, it's really, really good quality. So I will have information on this bag linked in the description box below for you guys, plus a discount code so you guys can save money off of your purchase. I hope you guys all enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye guys.